you're the buyer in today's market and you just saw your dream house and you went there with your agent, you made your offer. By the way, it is a great offer. It meets all the requirements that the seller's agent said that the seller was looking for, but still the seller is not accepting your offer. Why is it so? Usually, it depends on the seller, to be quite honest with you. One of my sellers was like, okay, we got the first offer, I'm taking this offer, it meets my criteria, I'm not looking for anything better, I just want to close as quickly as possible, so we're going with this offer, please, no more showings. If another offer comes in, unless it's like drastically better, then we're gonna maybe consider it. And another seller might say, oh, we just listed, we've been on the market for 4 days already, I know we have one offer, but so many people are scheduled to come and see our house, we want to give everybody a fair chance to see the house and maybe present an offer, so maybe we can get them to a bidding war. Guys, the market is what it is. Since we have a real shortage of properties on the market, the sellers are not stupid. Of course, most of them are going to look for the bidding war because they want to get as much money for the house as possible. So 9 out of 10 sellers in this situation would definitely go with scenario number 2. It's very rarely that my clients say, Dagmara, no more showings. We got what we wanted or even more, and we're not gonna do anything else. Let's go in a attorney review, let's go under contract as quickly as possible, and let's get it done. So to all the buyers out there, if your agent is sending offers and they are not getting accepted right away, it's not because your agent is doing something wrong. It's because in New Jersey, we have a very strong seller's market right now. Sellers know they have the upper hand over all the buyers. So they can pick and choose. They make the rules. So if they tell their listing agent, we want all the confirmed showings to happen, and then we are counting on other offers to come in, and then we'll decide if we are doing highest and best. By the way, if they have more than one offer, they can do highest and best. And then they come up with a date and time that they are giving everybody a fair chance to come up with their highest number and best terms. So don't be surprised. It actually happened to one of my clients right now that they presented this great offer, but the seller says, okay, give us a few more days. We still have some showing requests. We want to show the house. We might get 2 or 3 more offers because some agents told us they might be sending offers. So we want to give everybody a chance and then we'll decide. And you know, sometimes it happens that a better offer than yours is going to come and you lose the opportunity to purchase your dream home. Unfortunately, that's the reality of today's market. And like I said, only because we have shortage of the homes on the market and sellers can pick and choose and basically make the rules. That's what it is.